Hi guys, I wanted to shoot you this quick video regarding trading fees. Recently, some of Dave Horn's robots ran into this problem. When it tried to sell the lot, there wasn't enough of the coin that it had bought before to sell. Now, why is that? Now, whenever a trade is made on Binance, there's a fee that needs to be paid. Now, that fee is either going to be paid in BNB or it's going to be paid in the coin that you're buying. So as you can see here, this transaction here, it's showing you that DOT was bought, which is Polkadot, and the fee that was assigned for that trade was the DOT coin. So that means that when the bot bought, it bought 3.29, but when it went to sell, there wasn't 3.29 because the fee had been removed, and then it ran into that problem where it couldn't sell because there's not enough funds. The other way that Binance take fees is that they use BNBs, as you can see in this screenshot number 2. So what we want to make sure is, first off, you have a balance of BNB inside your Binance account. And also you need to make sure that the settings are set so that Binance know to use BNB as the trading fee. So sign into your Binance account, and then what you want to do is come to the dashboard. And to get to there, you go to that little head and come down to dashboard. And then if you scroll down the screen, at the bottom here on the right hand side, you'll see it says trading fees. Now, if you use BNB as the trading fees, you get a 25% discount on the actual trading fee. Now, what you need to make sure is that you've got this toggle on here. So make sure that that toggle's on, and also make sure that you've got a balance of BNB inside your Binance account. And inside Johnny Blockchain, when you come to the trade screen, you'll see these two menu items. There's Trading Robots Control, and then you've got Withdraw Calculator. So you click on that, and then here you'll see that this button's green. Now, Dave had in his account, this button was red. He rectified that problem, but maybe he's still having that problem because he hasn't put that toggle on. So hopefully that video is helpful. And if you've got any questions, let me know in the comments or in the Telegram group.